Are you all excited? Please press 1 nga if you are excited to learn more. Well, grabe, ang bilis ni Sir Mark. So to give us a better insight, please let me introduce to you our product presenter. She is a pediatrician with medical practice for 20 years, and she will share to us how Elken Spirulina and IG6 Colostrum help her patients and her family. So without further ado, please welcome Diamond Dr. Jane Antoy.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Miss Pam Ganda, for that very kind introduction. Yes, it's true. Maganda ka talaga. Kaya gusto ko itang makita sa personal, ma'am. Ayan, so good morning. Una po sa lahat, nais ko po kayong kumustahin, no? I hope everyone is fine. Actually, na-miss ko kayong lahat eh. Sana na-miss nyo rin ako. Sa mga naka-miss nga sa akin, kindly press 1. Kung may naka-miss naman sa akin dyan. Meron ba? Parang wala eh. Ayun, thank you so much. Ayan. Na-miss ko rin po kayo. Ayan. So again, it is blessings for me na makapag-share sa inyo ng ating very effective and safe product, no? Na kailangan natin ngayon, especially now that we are facing a health crisis, no? So I'm glad that I'm again a part of Elken, and I'm happy and proud always to share my expertise, no? Pagdating po dito. Maraming salamat for giving me this opportunity. I would like also to thank, of course, no, ang ating corporate team, ang ating pinakamamahal na Senior Vice President, Ms. Pang Minpa. Thank you so much for all the opportunities. And of course, sa mga incentives, no, walang hinto si Ms. Pang, no, sa pag-iisip kung ano ba yung ibibigay nila sa atin. Sa ating corporate head, Ma'am Gigi, thank you so much sa mga staff. Maraming salamat, no, sina Ma'am Michelle, sina Sir Mark, sina Ma'am Kat, lahat po kayo, thank you for always assisting us. And siyempre, sa ating mga mentors from Malaysia, headed by Miss Jo, Brother Jay, thank you po. At sa ating leader dito sa Pilipinas na pinangungunahan ng aking mahal na si Ma'am Isay. Thank you po for always giving us your support, no, to do this Elken business. And of course, ang aking big why, no, the reason why I continue doing Elken, my family. Yan. So sila po ang aking inspirasyon. So this evening, I will be presenting to you the other side of spirulina, no? This is different from the usual presentation that we are doing, no? So bukod po pala sa mga magagandang effect ng spirulina na ibinibigay sa atin, napakarami pa po pala nitong benefits na pwede nating pakinabangan. Yes, so the next slide will show us the first gift of love that we can give to our babies. Yes. According to the World Health Organization, the 1,000 days of life, the first 1,000 days of life is very important. This is the period na kung saan we are starting to conceive, no? Nag-uumpisa tayong mag-dream na magkaroon ng mga anak. And this lasts up to 2 years old or 3 years old, no? Sa toddler years, no? This is considered to be a golden period. Bakit? Because at this period, if we will be able to give a complete nourishment, then we can deliver a healthy baby. No? So every now and then, all of us, especially the expectant mothers, we are always hoping and praying to have healthy babies. No? Si Ma'am Michelle, malapit na ba yan? I'm sure. Sabi ni Ma'am Michelle, gusto ko pag nagka-baby ako, kasing ganda ni Doktora. Hindi, joke lang po. Kasing ganda ni Ma'am Michelle, no? Kasing talino ni Ma'am Isay, no? Kasing bait ng mga tao behind the Elken Global, no? So lahat po tayo gusto natin natin healthy ang ating babies. Dito po pumapasok ang kahalagahan ng sapat na nutrisyon mula sa ating preparasyon, no? Sa ating pregnancy. These 5 stages that you can see in this slide tells us that each stage should be given proper care and nourishment for us to be able to deliver a healthy baby. And what are these stages? First, from preparation for pregnancy, no? Second, nawala si Ma'am Michelle, nawala yung slide ko. Second, ayan, yung pregnancy. Third, breastfeeding period, infancy, and toddler. So lahat po yan, kailangan magbigay tayo ng sapat na nutrition so that we can deliver a healthy baby. Okay? So the next slide naman, no, will show us that spirulina is uploaded by the World Health Organization as the best healthcare product of the 21st century. Yes, it is a miraculous product. Why? Because it is complete, no? Very useful for all of us, especially yung mga expectant or prospective mothers, no? For them to be able to conceive, for them to be able to deliver a healthy baby without any defect. No? So this must continue until the toddler stages. Okay? Next. Hi, Miss Ling Ling. I'm looking forward for your sharing tonight. Okay, so during pregnancy, no, gaya na sabi ko kanina, bago pa lang tayo magbuntis, napaka-importante na sapat ang nutrisyon ng ating pangangatawan. So we should love and take good care of ourselves first, no, as expectant mother. Now, during pregnancy, what are the main factors affecting fertility? No? Bakit ba yung iba hindi agad nabubuntis? No? Hindi sila agad nagkakaroon ng baby. No? Yung iba 2 years na, doktora, 2 years na kami ng husband ko, hanggang ngayon wala pa kaming anak. Actually, ganun din ako noon. No? 2 years after my marriage, no, dun pa lang po ako nagkaroon ng baby. So I was very much sad then. Sabi ko, naku, hindi na ata ako magiging mommy because I was 28 when I got married. So I'm afraid that I might not get babies, no, children. So but with God's help, no, after 2 years we were able to conceive, no. So one problem kung bakit nagkakaroon tayo ng infertility is imbalanced diet or inadequate nutrition. That's why it is very timely, no, that we have this Elken spirulina, because aside from being 100% organic, it contains the 60 types of natural nutrients that our body needs, no, to keep our body in optimal condition. No? Second, many women are choosing their careers over their love life, no? Especially the career women. No? So tumatanda sila, they get older before getting married. So what happened usually is nagiging high risk sila, no? So marrying old, no, of course, will make our cells, our system older. That's why very difficult for them to conceive, no? Kaya sa mga magaganda dyan, bukas mag-asawa na kayo. Michelle, wag mamaya ha, bukas na lang ha. Okay, so very important na sana as much as possible sa tamang age. But sa mga career women na hindi natin maiwasan, no? So very important dito na magkaroon tayo ng sapat na supplement. So folic acid is one of the most important, no, that we need in order to elderly expectant mother to prevent, no, birth defects, no, which is present and in large amount in our spirulina, no. The third problem why we don't easily get pregnant is bad habit, no. What are these bad habits? Smoking, alcoholic drinking, even yung second hand exposure, no? Hindi ikaw yung nag-smoke pero may mga kasamahan ka sa house na nag-smoke, no? You are still exposed, no? So if you are exposed to this toxins, no? So toxins can produce in your body, which will make, of course, yung production ng egg cell and ng sperm cell na decrease. So hindi magiging maganda ang quality ng ating egg and sperm cell. That's why nagkakaroon din ng infertility. However, because of the spirulina wherein beta-carotene is very useful as an antioxidant, no? So we can solve this problem. Okay, the fourth reason why there is infertility is overexposure to radiation. Yes, it's true, no? Yung sobrang paggamit natin ng mga gadgets, no? Television, yung phones, yan, lahat po yan, nagbibigay ng radiation exposure sa ating katawan. And this increases the probability of congenital birth defects, no? Na ayaw nating mangyari sa ating mga anak, no? Now, how are we going to combat this one? So we have the phycocyanin in our organic spirulina, na, which was proven to be a scavengers of free radicals that causes these birth defects or that causes cancer. Na? And the fifth one is minsan, no, yung pH level ng ating pangangatawan alam niyo po ba that it will determine, no, kung anong gender ng ating mga anak. Ba't ba hindi ko to masyadong natutunan noon? Sana nagkaroon ako ng girl. Michelle, ha? Pag po ikaw, no, if your husband is consuming more alkaline food and you are consuming an acidic food, no, expect that you will have a girl baby, no? And on the other hand, no, vice versa, if you want to conceive a boy, no, the mother should consume alkaline food and the father acidic naman. Nako, nakikinig ng mabuti si Ma'am Pam. Ayan. So, these are the problems, no, or the factors that affect fertility of women. Okay. So, very important to give them balanced nutrition, no? Okay. So the next slide naman, ano ba yun? Second stage na tayo. Kanina, before pregnancy, no? Yung before pregnancy, kailangan alagaan na ng mami ang kanyang sarili, bigyan na ang sarili niya ng masustansyang supplements at syempre iwasan yung mga factors na pwedeng maka-apekto sa atin. Now, during pregnancy, no, what we must do, no? So this is the time wherein our baby depends, no, sa nutrients ng mother. So the mother should have a complete nourishment during this stage also because our baby depends, no, sa food na binibigay natin sa kanya, no? So sa womb natin, no, doon kumakain ang ating baby. So very important for us as pregnant women to consume complete and balanced nutrients, no? So the prenatal growth and development is shown in this slide, no? During the first month, no, it is very critical. Kasi this time na napoproduce yung mga neural tubes, no, yung brain ng baby, yung spinal cord. So kailangan ang mommy, mayroon siyang vitamin E, B12, folic acid, no? Kasi yung folic acid prevents the production of defects sa babies. So very important na mabigyan natin siya ng sapat na nutrients. Okay, so our 100% organic spirulina is comparable, no, to 7 glasses of milk, no, as source of vitamin E, no. So biruin nyo, no, you don't need to drink that much milk, no, for you to be able to achieve those nutrients na kailangan ng ating katawan. The next month naman of development, medyo mahaba ito. Yan. Yan yung second month natin, no? Wherein naman yung heartbeat, no? Ma-detect mo na yan sa baby. Kaya minsan, pag ikaw yung nagpa-ultrasound, nag-follow ka sa yung OB, no? Sa Doppler, maririnig mo na yung heartbeat niya. So what are the important vitamins na kailangan ng mother, no? So kailangan natin ng B12, B6, and vitamin C, no? Lahat po ba yan makikita natin sa organic spirulina? Yes, no? In fact, no, our organic spirulina is 2.5 times higher ang vitamin E niya, no? And B12 is also 2 times higher. So with that, no, kahit papaano makakasigurado tayo na nako-consume na natin ang mga vitamins na kailangan ng ating katawan, no? Ayan, and on the third month, we need high quality protein, which is provided also by our spirulina. During the fourth month, wherein the internal organs now are developing, we have to take vitamin A, zinc, and nucleic acid, all of which can be seen also in our organic spirulina. The fifth month is one of the most important stages in the development of the fetus, no? Kasi during this time, no, our brain is starting to develop, and also the emotions, no? Parang may nararamdaman na si baby, no? So very important also for the mother during this time to be jolly, no? As much as possible, avoid anxieties, no? Kasi nararamdaman na yan ni baby. Na-adapt yan ni baby. So we must always be happy. Stay happy, smile always, be positive. All of these emotions are also felt by the fetus, no? So this time also the fetal movement starts to develop, no? So we can give them high calcium, magnesium, and linolenic acid. This linolenic acid is very important, no? For the mother, kasi ito fatty acid ito, to prevent inflammations, no? And it also helps to balance the hormones that the mother has. So with this, which is seen in spirulina, 3 times more tayo sa gamma-linolenic acid, no? Very important also for brain function, heart function, no? So napakahalaga po ng linolenic acid na to, essential fatty acid, no? Na kung saan ay makakatulong para ma-prevent ang inflammations, inhibiting yung tinatawag na prostaglandin na nagpo-produce ng inflammation, thus preventing chronic diseases. So biruin nyo, kung dyan pa lang, habang pinagbubuntis mo yung anak mo, binibigay mo na yung tamang nutrition, maiiwasan po niya ang iba't ibang klase ng sakit sa kanyang pagtanda. That's why the first 1,000 days of life is very important. This is the time that we should nourish and nurture our body in order for us to nurture and take good care of our babies. Na? So the 6th month, as you can see, the fetal bone starts to develop. So iron is very important. And you know what? It is 56 times higher sa spirulina natin ang iron. No? So very, very useful po. And on the 7th month, no? Ayan, yun na yung good fatty acids. No? Yun yung linolenic. So yung mga good cholesterol, no? Nandiyan rin po sa ating organic spirulina. Okay. The 8th and 9th month, naku, yun na yung last trimester. 7th, 8th, and 9th is already the last trimester. Now, this is the time that malapit na tayong mga anak, no? So, during the 8th month, no? So, the fetal muscles develop. So, we should give high energy pero low caloric supplement sa ating mother, na? So our spirulina has high protein, no? Which is a good protein and low in fat. Okay. So during the 9th month up to the 10th month, this is now the almost, no, nabubuong-buo na si baby. So very important for our mother to give them also fiber, no? High protein but low sodium, na? And of course, vitamin B1. Yan. So lahat po yan nasa ating organic alkaline spirulina. The next slide, Ma'am Michelle. Ayan. So nasa breastfeeding period na tayo. Tapos na tayo dun sa prenatal, before pregnancy, pregnancy, now breastfeeding period. So dapat habang nagbe-breastfeed ka, sabi nga nila, ang pinakamahalagang gift na mabibigay mo sa iyong anak ay breast milk. Now, why? No? We all know that breast milk is given by our gift from God, no? Na kung saan the colostrum is the first milk na meron si mommy, no, is composed of immunoglobulins, no, na panlaban para sa iba't ibang sakit ni baby. So during this breastfeeding period, very important din na ang nutrients na ng mommy ay kumpleto, no? So what are the 3 areas of concern, no, during this postnatal recovery? First is lactation, no? Yung kailangan dito makapag-produce ng milk si mommy. Now, paano ba mangyayari yun, no? Paano ba magiging madali para kay mommy na magkaroon siya ng maraming milk, no? Siyempre, the sucking reflex is very important. So kailangan i-advise natin si mommy na lagi niyang i-latch on si baby, no? And of course, kailangan niya ng complete and balanced nutrients, no, na kung saan ay is a good supplement, no, not only during prenatal, during pregnancy, as well as in the breastfeeding period, no. So kailangan din ang mga vitamin B12, low in calories during the postnatal recovery, no. So because of the chlorophyll content, no, of our spirulina, this is useful, no, to prevent postpartum anemia, no. So usually po after giving birth, there are some cases that there is bleeding, no. So to avoid such kind of problem, we can give them the supplements, no, that is high in chlorophyll, like our organic spirulina, no. So sa mga ano dyan, sa mga midwife, sa mga kung may OB sana tayong doktor, no, napakaganda pong gawing supplement ng ating spirulina, no. I don't know if Ma'am Valerie is here, no. She's a midwife and she's presently recommending this spirulina together with IG6, no, sa mga patients niya during the prenatal period, during the pregnancy, and now after giving birth, now, which is very important. And the third concern during the postnatal period is the physical, mental, emotional health, no. This time, no, nagkakaroon minsan ng depression, postpartum depression ang mga mommies, no, because of the hormonal imbalances, no. So very useful na ang ating supplement is high in gamma-linolenic acid, no. So this gamma-linolenic acid is useful to balance the hormones ng ating mga mommy to prevent mood swings and other depression. Yan. So this is a comparison, no, of the breast milk, the cow's milk, and the 100% organic spirulina. First, when it comes to the essential fatty acids, no, as you can see, compared to breast milk and cow's milk, organic spirulina is much higher with this. Na? So you will be very confident to recommend it kasi the necessary fatty acids na kailangan ng mommy ay andito. The linolenic acid is also higher, no? 21.7%, as well as the gamma-linolenic acid, which is 22.9%. No? So with this, no, we will be able, no, to give or to replenish the gamma-linolenic and other essential fatty acid need by the mother during this period. The next slide, Ma'am Mitch. Ayan, infancy na, no? So hindi lamang po so breastfeeding, after giving birth, habang pinapalaki at inaalagaan natin si baby, very important to give them, no, to give the mommy also with this complete balanced nutrition, no. So yan po ang mga kailangan ng ating baby, no. In fact, ako po, to my patients, even the newborns, the newly delivered babies, I already recommend, no, spirulina and IG6 to be added in their milk, no, or in water, so that the baby can take it, no, because I know how important this spirulina is when it comes to their health, no? For them to be able to develop healthy, no? Neurodevelopmentally, physically, intellectually, very useful po ang ating spirulina, no? So we are giving them the whole complete organic nutrients that they need in order for them to remain healthy. No? So yung mga binibigyan ko po na ganitong mga ages, no, hindi na po sila nagiging sakitin, no? So nakakatuwa po na sana if I can only share, no, this product not only to my friends, no, but to the whole world, then I think we will be able to achieve a very healthy population, no? So imagine, no, if all of us will take spirulina, no? Kahit hindi ka pa buntis, kahit sino, everybody, if you will be able to take this product, no? So what will happen? No? Nobody will get sick, or konti ang magkakasakit, no? So malnutrition is indeed a problem, no? So in this stage, no, so we can help our children by giving this complete food to avoid malnutrition, to avoid undernutrition, no? So the problem is if you have poor diet, no, you will acquire different kinds of diseases. Even chronic diseases like heart diseases, no, mataas yung cholesterol, diabetes, no, all of this can be prevented by just giving them the best nutrient in the form of our Elken spirulina. No? So the problem has a solution. Yun ang maganda dun eh. We have a problem. The problem is malnutrition, but we have a solution that is giving the correct nutrition. No? Next slide. Yan, toddlers. This is the years na super kulit na si baby. Takbo dito, takbo dyan, kain dito, kain dyan. This period is the exploratory period, no, ng ating mga babies. They want to explore everything. They want to try everything. But what is important is we as mothers, no? If we will be able to train our children during this stage ng tamang nutrisyon na kakainin nila, we will surely be able to help them to prevent different kinds of diseases. We will surely help them to become more intellectually, no, active and intelligent, no? So this stage, the brain of a baby, of the child, is like a sponge, no? Para po siyang sponge na lahat ng i-feed mo, i-absorb niya, no? So this is the time that we need to give the best nutrition to our babies, no? So that we can prevent them from getting easily sick, no? Ito yung stage na kapag binigyan mo ng sweets, naku, gustong-gusto nila. Pag binigyan mo ng fast foods, gustong-gusto nila. Ng mga fries, gustong-gusto nila. Tayo naman, natutuwa tayo. Wow, kumakain ng fries ang anak ko. Wow, kumakain na ng candy ang anak ko. But we don't know that we are, no, giving them, no, the possibility of having diabetes when they get older, no? And aside from that, ang nakakatakot, even children nowadays, no, can contract diabetes. That's why we should be careful of what we give to our children, no? Ako, kung natutunan ko na lang tong Elken nung bago ako manganak, bago ako magka-asawa, nako, definitely hindi ako magkakaroon ng problema kasi very useful po talaga, no? So as I have said, no, we really should give our children the best nutrition. Now, what are the 4 common problems, no, na encounter ng ating mga babies? Yan, madali po silang magkasakit. They easily fall sick, no? They have fragile teeth, poor eyesight, and even constipation. Why? Because what we give to them is not the right nutrition, no? So for us to be able to boost the immune system of our babies, we need to give them the supplements that is complete with the nutrients that they need in balanced proportion, no? Ganyan po si spirulina natin. ganyan si Elken spirulina. Our spirulina is also rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamins, which will make the bones and teeth of our children stronger. And to prevent poor eyesight, we have beta-carotene and chlorophyll. And of course, because our spirulina is also proven to increase the good bacteria in our body, we can prevent constipation aside from its high fiber content. Biruin mo, ilang tableta lang ang ibibigay mo sa anak mo, nakuha niya lahat ng kumpletong nutrients na kailangan niya. Sinong mami ang hindi magiging masaya pag ganito? Okay, so instead of feeding them the poor diet, the not so good diet, the fast foods, let's give them the spirulina. Okay? Next po. Ayan, so yun yung ating spirulina, Gaya ng sabi ko sa inyo kanina, hindi lamang po pala nakakatulong si spirulina sa mga matatandang gaya natin, So para magpanatili po nating makapag-produce tayo ng healthy population, sa prenatal pa lang, bago manganak, sa pregnancy, sa breastfeeding, up to the toddler period, we should give them the best supplement, that is the Elken spirulina, for us to be able to have a healthy, intelligent, cute, not sickly babies. Diba, Ma'am Michelle, gusto mo yan? Yes. Nasaan na si Ma'am Mitch? So yun, nag-smile si Ma'am. Okay, so that's it for our spirulina, alam niyo na yung dati eh. So now I'm going to present to you the colostrum, the immunoglobulin IG6. So this is the best immune booster I've ever encountered. Why? Because it has complete immunoglobulins and napakataas po ng kanyang growth factor and the nutritive factors. This colostrum has the lactoferrin, which is very useful to combat viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens that cause diseases. Yan. And you know what? Very safe ang ating immunoglobulin colostrum because they were taken from grade A cow's milk from New Zealand, wherein they were not fed with hormones, antibiotics, pesticides, or not given even insecticides. So with this, we are sure that the source of our immunoglobulin colostrum is safe. Not to mention the flask pasteurization method na ginamit dito, which nag-retain ng mga nutrients na meron ang ating IG6. Yan. You know what? Yung IG6 na yan and the spirulina, we are always giving them to our patients, especially the COVID positive patients, and it really works. So we have the highest number of beneficial active ingredients, 70 times, and also the first milking, we did it. We have the highest level of IgG by 30%. It is our best source of colostrum, and because of the most sophisticated manufacturing processes done by our company, we have the superb and premium quality of colostrum. This colostrum can be given to all ages, even sa elderly people, sa mga pregnant women. So we can combine this with spirulina and postnatal women. Also to those patients who undergo rehabilitation, patients with chronic diseases like diabetes, athletes, can be given to the entire family, and of course to kids and infants. So with the spirulina and colostrum that we have, we can boost our immune system and we can prevent chronic diseases because we are giving our family and friends the complete nutrients our body needs for us to be able to function optimally. Now, what is the recommended dose? Okay, for adult, we can give them 5 to 10 tablets a day, pero case-to-case basis because those patients may take more, especially if they have concomitant diseases. Sa mga viral diseases namin with COVID, we are giving them 10 tablets 3 times a day or more. Those patients with diabetes, we also increase the dose. So among children, we can give them from 1 to 4 tablets a day. So it depends also to the cases. Ang ating IG6, Adult and children can take 4 to 6 tablets 2 times daily, and children ages 6 to 12 years old can take 2 to 3 tablets 2 times daily. Yan. So ganyan po kaganda ang ating spirulina and IG6. Ayan. So thank you so much. I will be sharing to you some of our patients. Na? This patient, this baby, oh, look at her. Oh, di ba? Nagde-dedi na siya ng spirulina. Ayan. Confinement, I gave them the spirulina. No, napakabilis po ng kanilang paggaling. And ni Ma'am Isay, pagdating ng araw, lahat ng tao naka-spirulina na. And IG6, which is very, very possible. Na? With our sharing. So let us keep on sharing because sharing is love. Caring, and caring is loving, na? Sa ating spirulina and IG6. And the next one naman, yung nag-conceive, no? The mother, no? Na nakapag-conceive after taking the spirulina and IG6. Ayan, sinapakagandang mami, no? So with that, I would like to thank everyone for listening, and I hope I was able to impart to all of you the benefits of spirulina and IG6, and I hope all of us will become confident in sharing these beneficial products to everyone. Thank you. Back to you, Ma'am Pam.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Dr. Jane Antoy, for a very clear explanation of our Elken spirulina and colostrum. Grabe. Na-miss ka po namin, Doktora, and gusto ko din po kayo ma-meet personally. Kaya tara na po dito sa Dubai. And baka po mamaya mag-live na po si Ma'am Michelle at mag-aasawa na siya, Dok, bukas. And share ko lang po yung short testimony ko about IG6 and spirulina. Hindi po sa baby sa COVID po. Nag-positive ako last January dito sa Dubai. Pero by taking massive intake ng spirulina and colostrum, grabe, ang bilis ko lang po naka-recover. Kaya super happy ako to share these products to others. Diba sabi ko po kanina, invite nyo na yung mga friends and relatives nyo to join this Zoom meeting dahil ang dami talaga natin matututunan. Dalawa lamang po ito sa mga amazing Elken products. Sabi ko nga kanina, we have more than 200 world-class products. So again, thank you so much, Dr. Jane, for a very great explanation of our spirulina and colostrum. So again, reminder lang po sa lahat ng invited guests natin po, na please message po sa ating chat group dahil may chance po sila manalo sa ating raffle. And again, please open your camera. Grabe, di ba ang ganda ng ating products? Now, let's hear